Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, can you tell me what is this? इसे क्या कहते हैं हम? Yes, this is a sellotape. इससे हम अगर कुछ फट गया है या कुछ स्टिक करना है तो हम इस सेलोटेप का यूज़ करते हैं। और इस सेलोटेप को आप देख सकते हो। कैन यू टेल मी विच शेप इज़ दिस? Yes, it is a circle shape. और इसी सर्कल शेप में हमारे पास एक अल्फ़ाबेट भी है। कैन यू टेल मी इंग्लिश में कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट है जो हम ऐसे लिखते हैं? राउंड. व्हाट इज इट? Yes, it is O. And what is the sound of O? O. है ना? So today we will learn about O sounds. So are you all ready? Yes. So, can you see children? किसके पास O alphabet है? Who is having O letter? Yes, it's our teddy bear. और हमने कल सीखा था हिंदी में भ से भालू। तो हमारे भालू जी के पास क्या है? He is having letter O. But Teddy is very lonely. वो बहुत अकेला है ना? And वो अकेला है तो what he wants? He wants some friends. So हम देखिए आज टेडी से कौन फ्रेंडशिप करने आ रहे हैं. Let's see who is coming. Yes, it's letter D. It's letter D. Wow, letter D किसके पास है? It's a penguin. So who all are becoming friends? Teddy is becoming friend with penguin. And what are the letters who are becoming friends? It is O and D. And what sound will they make? Odd. Odd. So दोनों friends हो गए हैं O and D. And what is the sound they are making? Odd. Odd. Repeat after ma'am. Odd. 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 Phonic sound of O is A and phonic sound of D is T. So odd, odd. Repeat. Odd, odd. So children, now let's see. और हमारे टेडी के साथ कौन आ रहा है फ्रेंडशिप करने लेटर O के साथ? Let's see who is this? Yes, it's duck. Quack 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 quack. And duck के पास है अल्फाबेट T. So who all are becoming friend? Teddy and duck. And what are the letters who are becoming friends? Ot, ot. O-T, ot. Ot, ot. Repeat. Ot, ot. Now children, let's see अब और कौन टेडी के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करना चाहता है. Who is coming? Who is coming? Yes, it's a beautiful doll. So टेडी के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करने कौन आया है? A beautiful doll. And doll के पास है letter G. And G का sound is G. G का sound is G. So G, og. Repeat. G, og. G, og. So children, now tell me the sequence. पहले टेडी के साथ कौन आया फ्रेंडशिप करने? पेंगुइन. यस. उसके बाद कौन आया? डक. है ना? और डक के बाद कौन आया फ्रेंडशिप करने? अ डॉल. सो पहला कौन आया? पेंगुइन. सो व्हाट वाज द साउंड दे मेड? ऑड. Odd. Then who came? Yes. Then duck came. Ot, ot. Then last who came? Doll. So og, og. Understood children? Okay children. Understood about O sounds? So now we will write the same in our notebook. So open your English notebook children. And what do we write in the pink box? Yes, we write today's date. What is today's date? 2/2/22 dot 4 dot 21/21, and today's day is Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday, and C.W. classwork. Now we will write the heading. It is O sounds. So write down O and then write down sounds. SOUNDS, sounds. So what was the first alphabets we joined together? Yes, odd. O-D, odd. And what is the sound? O-D, odd. O-D, odd. Then take 2 finger gap. Then write down again O-T, ot. That is ot, 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 ot. Then again take 2 finger gap and then write down O G, og, 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 odd, ot, og. We will write once again. O will start from the blue line and finish at the blue line. We'll make a circle. This is O. And how do we write D? One curve, then go up, then go down till the blue line and a small curve. This is D. Odd, odd. Next, O, T, and T will start from the red line, then finish at the blue line, then a curve, then a sleeping line. Ot, 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 ot. Then again O. Then how do we write G? One curve, then go up, then go down till the red line and make a small curve. This is G. Og, og. Again O, D, odd. O, T, ot. O, G, og. You have to say and write. Again O, D, odd. O, T, ot. O, G, og. Like this, you have to complete the page, children. Say and write. And in the homework also, same way you will write. Ot, ot, og. Okay, children, say and write. Stay home, stay safe.